Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button and leave me a comment. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute ass puffy bag. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss this.
Wow, that's really retro.
Okay, first I started out with like 5 bandanas. I used 2 and 2 to make a square. Then I used the other 2 and 2. Then this one I'm going to be filling up the bag with. And you would need some scissors. And you can use a sewing machine. I like to sew by hand, so yeah, that's me. So yeah, I'm just going to put the right sides together of the bandanas. Make sure right sides are together because that's going to be the outer part. So I'm going to do that. And after that, you can find how big or small you want your bag. I was just sizing out how I wanted it. After that, I just cut, and I cut 2 bandanas at a time. And after I cut the first 2 bandanas, I just laid them on top of the next 2 bandanas as a stencil and did the same thing. Here is me laying the bandanas down on the other 2. And I have now 4 pieces in a whole bandana, which you would use for the handle. Not handle, yeah, you know, strap. Then you're going to sew all 3 sides and leave an opening at the top so you can stuff it, and then you're going to close that back up as well. This is one I've already sewed and closed up all the way. Now you would do the next 2 pieces the same way. And right here I'm showing you the opening where I'm going to finish stuffing it, then I'm going to sew it up before adding both pieces together. Now you're going to put one puff on top of the other puff. Then you're going to sew just like the same way all 3 sides. Of course, you're going to leave the top open for the opening of your bag. Do not sew all 4 sides or you will not have a bag. You will have a pillow. Okay, I've sewed all 3 sides. As you can see, this bag is coming along very nice. I am so proud of this bag. Like, it's hot. It's hot. And originally I wanted the regular bandanas, but I found this tie-dye bandana. And yeah, I'm just feeling this color. But you can use anything you want. You could even buy white bandanas and red dye them to any color that you want. You can make your own tie-dye. But here I'm cut out the strap and I'm going to sew down the sides and sew one side at the tip. so I can turn.
Wow, that's really retro.